most of them are doing IT and sciences, though a few are doing a mastering in business. So when the war broke up, our ambassador in Iran, Ambassador Twaha Matata, Ambassador Twaha Matata reached out to His Excellency the President through, of course, the Minister of Foreign Affairs. He made an approval to return the 43 who are willing. They are totaling to about 51 in one university, but the 8 decided to remain behind willingly. Government was willing to bring them back, but they remained behind. Then the other university has 53. We are trying to see how to support those ones also to return. However, it could not have been possible without the involvement of our CDF, General Bakomezeddwawo, together with the Director General of External Security Organization, and what is that operator? A new person? Who is that person distorting your press? So, it would not have been possible without the support and the coordination efforts of the CDF, General Bakomezeddwawo, together with all our military attaché in Turkey, Major General Gig, and our External Security Organization team based in Tehran. However, the lead person in this movement has been our Ambassador Matata Atwaha. Many of you call him Muhad. So I want to recognize his efforts in ensuring our young people return. They will tell us